I grew up not really knowing what my heritage was. All I knew is that I checked Native American whenever a standardized test asked me what my ethnicity was. But ever since I can remember, my Nokomispa always pushed me towards the Native community. Whether it was an after-school or summer program, powwow, or drumming practice, she always made sure I knew where I came from and what my roots were. She always took me to where I needed to be and was there when I needed someone. One place that my grandma took me every summer was the American Indian Center. This is where she'd take me to attend Positive Paths, a Native youth summer program, and a couple powwows. I even started learning the cultural significance of drumming from the elders at the AIC. Had it not been for my Nokomispa, I would still have the mindset of being a check next to the Native American category on test. I was able to have an idea of what being Native meant at a young age, even though I didn't fully grasp it till later on. It in fact laid the foundation for a better future. I would have continued down a path that wasn't mine to go down. I would have been truly lost in a world that wasn't mine. Thanks to her, I had a strong cultural foundation and something to rely on. At the time, I still didn't grasp how blessed I was. If you take one thing from this story, it's to always appreciate the loved ones in your life and to not take cultural experiences for granted.